Beer Champ Barbecuers. Today we're doing up beef short ribs, Flanken style ribs, and some burgers and beer brats, and we're drinking beer. So let's get the Weber fired up. We got some wood lump and some hunks of hickory in there. So we are using the slow and sear today. Let's get it fired up. It's a hot one out here today, folks. Light up a corner. Get your temps up to about 250. Let's get these ribs seasoned up. Just kosher salt, cracked black pepper. Delicious. Anyway, we're gonna get that on. I don't probe beef ribs. You can tell when they're done, but you can probe them just to feel. If that probe comes out like butter, you're rocking. This usually gonna take about 4 or 5 hours, easy, and about 250-ish, right around there. Cook however temp you want, 225, 275, 250, wherever in there, you're good. Whew. Hot as hell out. Damn. No, that's not my kitchen towel. This is my old one from camp. Check this sucker out. Caught it on fire on a damn citronella candle. Anyway, look at these. Get the lid on that. Down the vent a touch. That bottom vent, we can close that up a little bit. Should be riding about 250. Adjust those as you need. Go get yourself a cold one and meet me back here. Alright folks, we're a couple hours in. We're going to take a sneak peek. And you can get these new Beer Champ Barbecue shirts in the link below. I cut my sleeves off. You can get a sleeveless, but it costs way more like that. Just buy the t-shirt, cut the sleeves off, guys. Save yourself about 10 bucks. Let's check these guys out. Oh, yeah. That's coming along much quicker than I expected. That's first peek. I have yet to spritz or anything. I don't think I'm spritzing nothing. Those looked amazing. I better get together. Yeah, I better get the burgers and the brats together. Fire up this old Kingsford over here. It's usually a it's usually a camera stand. So you can see the GoPro sitting there. Anyway, let's get the burgers and the brats, and we're gonna pop the top. Hell yeah. It's cooling down a little bit. At least it's windy. It's a nice breeze coming through, right? Barbecue and beer. Hand in hand, baby. Anyway, let's get the rest of the food on. If there was only smell-o-vision. or smell a, not vision, you wouldn't see it. It is what it is. The smell coming out of this Weber kettle is amazing. Get that out of there. Woo! Oh, right there, right there. Oh, yeah. Those are done. There was a couple that had some pull. Put them in a pan, cover it, tent those guys. They're going to be good. Amazing. Ooh, the smell. In a half hour. We'll check back very soon. I'm going to throw on some burgers and brats as well. All right, looks like I'm only going to use one grill today. We're going to use only the Weber. But that slow and sear, we're going to dump the coals out of there, and we're going to fill that up with a little more coal in there and get this thing roaring for beer brats and burgers. And how do you do that? Yeah, be careful, all right? So, I got to pull all that off. It's about 300 plus degrees, and I don't suggest anybody trying this, but I used to work at a foundry, so I'm good with that. I have these mitts. They withstand 3,000 degrees for at least 10 seconds. So let's get to it. That grease pan, some people save that. I'm not going to. Now this is hot. Sometimes I take this, dump it in my fire pit. You've seen me do that before. But yeah. Woo! Put that slow and sear on concrete away from anybody that's going to be in the area. Protect them, protect yourself, all right? Whew. It's very important. You don't want to burn anybody. You don't want to burn any guests. You don't want to burn yourself. Oof. Now I'm going to add in just some Kingsford charcoal briquettes on top of that. Get that going up to about 400 degrees. I'm going to slap on some burgers. Simple. SPG on the burgers. Beer brats are ready to roll. And only going to take about 15-20 minutes. Add some cheese if you want. Whatever you need to add, do it then. Alright? We're just building up a nice bed of coals to cook things evenly. All right, let's check back when we get the burgers and the brats on. Cheers. All right, barbecue fam, we are about to dive in to one of these beef short ribs. Most amazing thing ever. I love beef ribs. We're getting Weber up for beer brats and burgers. Simple SPG burgers and cheese. But let's get a bite out of a beef rib. A little sunny. That's crappy. Let's bring her back. Let's go over here. Do it. Cheers. Cheers, folks. That's some good beer. I just can't wait for dinner. Oh, and there's a train coming. Anyway, check that sucker out. Hell yeah. Haha. We're biting into this thing. And then we're gonna make these burgers. Cooking on a Weber. Come on. $2.75, 4 hours, no spritzing, just salt and pepper. Look at that. Oh boy. Clean off the bone. Man. Right there, boy. Hell yeah. If you ain't never tried beef ribs, go get yourself some. Do yourself a favor. Hot damn. There it is. My burnt up crap towel. My good one. You can get these at Walmart for $1.97. That's my sweat. Dirty. Right here. This. Right here. Some music. Laid around a bonfire. Beef ribs. Beer. Barbecue. I love it. I know you do too. Hit the thumbs up. Subscribe if it's your first time. Oh man, it's amazing. I mean, check that smoke ring. What? That's amazing. Hallelujah for beef ribs. Guys, I'm going to be doing some more. Might add it to the video or I might do another video. Cornbread coming up in the Dutch with some beer brats and burgers. Cheers, folks.